Have you ever stopped to consider the impact of your words? Imagine, if you will, the vast landscape of language, where each word is a powerful tool in our arsenal. Words, they're not just letters strung together. They are the embodiment of our thoughts, emotions, and the very essence of our being. They possess an inherent power, a force capable of inspiring, of causing pain, of healing, and most intriguingly, of shaping reality. Think of the speeches that have moved nations, the apologies that have mended relationships, or the simple "I love you" that can make a heart flutter. These are not mere utterances, but transformative expressions that carry within them the power to change lives. Every word we utter, every phrase we craft, is a brushstroke on the canvas of our world, so it's worth deliberating, isn't it? Let's dive deeper into the power of words and how they shape our world. Words are like stones thrown into a pond, creating ripples that spread far and wide. Picture a small, close-knit community, nestled in the heart of a bustling city. In this community, everyone knows everyone. It's a place where news travels faster than wind, and whispers echo louder than shouts. One day, a rumor started. It was a simple, seemingly harmless whisper about Mrs. Thompson, the cheerful lady who lived at the end of the lane. The rumor? That she had a secret stash of gold hidden in her house. The origin of this rumor? No one knew, but it spread like wildfire. It was whispered in hushed tones at the local bakery, spoken about in the park, and even discussed at the community meetings. As the rumor spread, so did the curiosity and greed. It wasn't long before Mrs. Thompson's life was disrupted. Her peace was shattered by prying eyes and curious minds, all lured by the promise of hidden gold. The sense of community began to crumble as suspicion and greed took hold. Soon, the rumor had taken a life of its own. It started affecting other members of the community as well. Friends became suspicious of each other. Parents warned their children about the greedy old woman, and the once peaceful community was now a hotbed of mistrust and speculation. Eventually, the truth came out. There was no hidden gold. Mrs. Thompson was just an ordinary woman with a love for golden trinkets. The rumor had been nothing but a figment of someone's imagination, but the damage had been done. The community was left fractured, its trust shattered, and its unity compromised. This tale serves as a stark reminder of the power of words. Just like the stone that disturbs the calm waters of a pond, words can disrupt the harmony of an entire community. They have the power to create ripples of change, both good and bad. So you see, words can create a ripple effect, impacting more than just the immediate listener. But it's not all doom and gloom. Words have the power to inspire and motivate. Let's dive into a story that perfectly illustrates this power. Meet Amelia, a young woman with a dream to climb the highest mountain peaks around the world. But she was not born with a silver spoon in her mouth, nor the physical prowess of an Olympic athlete. She was just an ordinary girl with an extraordinary dream. She faced many hurdles on her path. The lack of funds, physical challenges, and even the societal expectations that a girl from her background should not be dreaming about such daring adventures. Doubts started creeping in. Was her dream too big? Was she reaching for the impossible? One day, she heard a speech by a renowned mountaineer who, despite losing a leg in an accident, had summited numerous peaks. He said, "Mountains are not conquered with strength but with perseverance. The first step to reaching the peak is believing you can." These words struck a chord with Amelia. It was as if a light had been switched on inside her. She realized it was her self-doubt that was the real mountain she needed to conquer. She started training harder, saving every penny, and most importantly, believing in herself. Fast forward a few years, and Amelia stood on top of Mount Everest, the world's highest peak. She had turned her impossible dream into a reality. And the catalyst for this extraordinary achievement was a simple string of words that inspired her to believe in herself. So, you see, words are not just sounds or letters. They are powerful tools that can ignite passion, instill courage, and inspire action. They can motivate us to push beyond our limits, to achieve what we once thought was impossible. The power of words is immense. They can create a ripple effect, making a profound impact on not just one person, but many. They can transform lives, shape destinies, and even move mountains, both literally and metaphorically. In the right context, words can be the catalyst that sparks extraordinary action. Words can also be a balm, soothing pain, and mending hearts. Let's delve into a tale that vividly illustrates this. Once, in a small town, lived two best friends, John and Peter. They shared everything from their deepest secrets to their wildest dreams. However, as they grew older, a misunderstanding drove a wedge between them. A harsh word, a hasty judgment had created a chasm too wide to bridge. Their friendship seemed to be lost amidst the echoes of those harsh words. Then one day, John received a letter. It was from Peter. The letter was not filled with accusations or justifications. Instead, it was an apology. Peter had written about his regret, his longing for their lost friendship, and his wish to mend what was broken. He acknowledged the hurtful words he had spoken, and with sincere remorse, asked for forgiveness. John was moved. The words on the paper were not just ink and lines, they were a balm, soothing the wound that had been festering for years. The apology was a salve, healing the scars of their broken friendship. This story is a simple yet poignant reminder of the power of words to heal. An apology, a kind word, can mend relationships and soothe pain. It can help someone overcome personal struggles, build bridges over chasms of misunderstandings, and rekindle lost friendships. We all have this power, the power to heal with our words. It is in our voice, in our pen, in our keyboards. The power to acknowledge our mistakes, to say sorry, to offer comfort, to give hope. Words can be a balm, a salve, a bandage that mends the wounds of the heart and the soul. This power is not exclusive or rare, it is universal, inherent in each one of us. It only requires the courage to wield it, the wisdom to use it wisely, and the love to use it kindly. Indeed, words have the power to heal and mend if only we choose them wisely. Sometimes the most powerful word is no word at all. When we think about communication, we often picture a flurry of words, a whirlwind of sentences. But have you ever considered the power of silence? That pause, the moment of stillness that can hold an entire conversation in its grasp. It's in this silence that the unsaid finds its voice. Silence is not the absence of communication, but rather a potent form of it. It's a deliberate choice, an active decision to withhold words and let the quiet speak. It's a pause, a full stop, a lingering ellipsis that can say more than 1,000 words ever could. Used wisely, silence can command attention, convey respect, or even express disagreement. It can be a testament to your patience, your understanding, your willingness to listen. It's in these quiet moments that we hear the loudest truths. Remember, silence too speaks, and often it speaks the loudest. So what does all this tell us about the power of words? Well, it's simple, yet profound. Our words have the incredible capability to create, influence, and change the world around us. They are not mere sounds or letters strung together, but the carriers of our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Let's take a quick walk down memory lane and revisit the concepts we've discussed. First, we delved into the ripple effect of words. Like a stone thrown into a pond, each word we utter creates ripples, influencing not just the recipient but also others who may overhear it or be told about it later. A thoughtless comment can cause a cascade of negativity, while a kind word can spread positivity far and wide. Then, we explored the magic of words that inspire. These are the words that light a spark within us, that push us to strive for more, to become better. A single phrase, a lone quote, can ignite the fire of ambition, can motivate us to reach for the stars. We also looked at words that heal. Words have the power to soothe, to comfort, to mend broken spirits. They are the balm for the wounded soul, the antidote to despair. A heartfelt apology, a sincere compliment. These are more than just words. They are the healing touch that can mend bridges, that can bring people together. And let's not forget the power of silence. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. Silence can speak volumes, can convey what words sometimes fail to. It can be a sign of respect, of understanding, of empathy. But the crux of it all is this: think before you speak. Our words are powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. We must be cautious, mindful of the impact our words can have. The next time you speak, remember the power of your words, and choose them wisely. After all, words shape our world.